Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Subway rewards activity. Open the website subway.com, then click on the profile icon. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On this page, you will see an option that says Rewards. Click on Rewards. Here you will see your rewards activity. That's how you view your Subway rewards activity. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.